Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be comparing decimals. Let's compare 4 and 56 hundredths to 4 and 6 hundredths. We will start by looking at the digits in the ones place, then the digit in the tenths place, and then the digit in the hundredths place. Let's start by creating a model of the digit in the ones place. We have 4 ones. In the tenths place, we have 5 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tenths. In the hundredths place, we have 6 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 4 ones, 0 tenths, and 6 hundredths. We notice that they both have 4 ones. Now we will look at the digit in the tenths place. We have 5 tenths, and here we have 0 tenths. That means that 4 and 56 hundredths is greater than 4 and 6 hundredths. The models also help us visualize that. 4 and 56 hundredths is greater than 4 and 6 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model of 2 and 2 hundredths. 2 ones, 0 tenths, and 2 hundredths. Here we have 2 and 12 hundredths. We have 2 ones, 1 tenth, and 2 hundredths. We notice that they have the same digit in the ones place. Now let's look at the tenths place. 0 tenths. This one has 1 tenth. That means that 2 and 12 hundredths is greater than 2 and 2 hundredths. You can also see the models. This is greater than this. Let's compare 39 hundredths to 4 tenths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 3 tenths and 9 hundredths. Here we have 4 tenths and no hundredths. We notice that 4 tenths is greater than 3 tenths and 9 hundredths. We need 1 more hundredth to make 4 tenths. We notice that they both have 0 ones, and 3 tenths is less than 4 tenths. 4 tenths is greater. At first glance, 0.39 might appear greater than 0.4. But remember, we look at the ones place, then the tenths place, then the hundredths place. 4 tenths is more than 3 tenths. Let's compare 0 and 34 hundredths to 0 and 4 tenths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 3 tenths and 4 hundredths. 4 tenths and 0 hundredths. We notice that 4 tenths is greater than 3 tenths. That means that 0.4 is greater than 0.34. 3 tenths is less than 4 tenths. 6 more hundredths would get us to 4 tenths, but for now, 4 tenths is greater. Let's start by creating a model of 6 tenths. And now let's create a model for 52 hundredths. We have 5 tenths and 2 hundredths. You might think that 0.52 is greater than 0.6, but we start by looking at the ones place and then the tenths. 6 tenths is greater than 5 tenths. 8 more hundredths and we will have equivalent decimals. But for now, 6 tenths is greater than 52 hundredths. Let's compare 1 and 7 tenths to 1 and 34 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 1 and 7 tenths. Here we have 1, we have 3 tenths, and 4 hundredths. We notice they both have a 1 in the ones place, but 1.7 has 7 tenths, and 1.34 has 3 tenths. 7 tenths is greater than 3 tenths. Let's compare 8 tenths to 75 hundredths. We have 8 tenths, and here we have 7 tenths, and 5 hundredths. At first glance, it would appear that 0.75 is greater than 0.8, but remember, we look at the ones place first and then the tenths place. 8 tenths is greater than 7 tenths. 5 more hundredths here, and we would have equivalent decimals. Let's compare 20 hundredths to 3 tenths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 0 ones, we have 2 tenths, and 0 hundredths. Here we have 0 ones, 3 tenths, and 0 hundredths. The ones place is the same. The tenths place, we notice that 2 tenths is less than 3 tenths. That means that 3 tenths is greater than 20 hundredths. Let's compare 9 tenths to 89 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 0 ones, we have 9 tenths. Here we have 0 ones, 8 tenths, and 9 hundredths. Let's start by looking at the ones place. They both have a 0. Here we have 9 tenths versus 8 tenths. 9 tenths is greater than 8 tenths. Let's compare 1 and 34 hundredths to 1 and 4 tenths. Let's create a model. We have 1 whole, 1, 3 tenths, and 4 hundredths. Here we have 1 and 4 tenths. We notice they both have a 1 in the ones place. Here we have 3 tenths versus 4 tenths. We know that 4 tenths is greater than 3 tenths. Let's compare 50 hundredths to 7 tenths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 5 tenths, and here we have 7 tenths. We notice they both have a 0 in the ones place. This decimal has 5 tenths, and this one has 7 tenths. We know that 5 tenths is less than 7 tenths. So 7 tenths is greater than 50 hundredths. Let's compare 9 hundredths and 1 tenth. We have 0 ones, 0 tenths, and 9 hundredths. Here we have 0 ones, 1 tenth, and no hundredths. We notice that 1 tenth is more than 9 hundredths because we have to look at the ones first and then the tenths. 0 tenths, and here we have 1 tenth. So 0.1 is greater than 0.09. Let's compare 3 tenths versus 30 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model. We have 0 ones and we have 3 tenths. Here we have 0 ones, 3 tenths, and 0 hundredths. We notice they are equivalent decimals. Let's compare 62 hundredths and 7 tenths. We have 0 ones, we have 6 tenths, and 2 hundredths. Here we have 0 ones and 7 tenths. If we look at the ones place, they both have a 0. Here we have 6 tenths versus 7 tenths. 7 tenths is greater than 6 tenths.